Hello, YouTubers. I have a little problem over here. I just finally figured it out. Every time I try to add a video to my playlist, it just won't show up. And what happened is I did a little bit of research and finally came across this article. I'm going to do the read screen option so you guys can hear what's going on real quick.
Hide or show likes and save playlists. You can show activities such as liking a video or subscribing to a channel in your activity feed. You can also choose to keep these activities private. After December 5th, your public liked videos playlist will be made private, which means only you will be able to see this playlist. You can still like videos, and videos will still show the number of likes. Computer, iPhone, and iPad. If you customize the layout of your channel, sign into your channel on YouTube. In the top right, select your profile picture settings. On the left, select privacy. Toggle the options next to the individual activities. If you don't customize the layout of your channel, go to your channel. Under your channel art, click settings, or under privacy, turn on or off the individual activities.
So basically, guys, what this thing's telling you to do, if you ever run into this issue, just go sign in into your channel, go into your icon over here, go into YouTube, your channel, and wait, I think you need to go to YouTube Studio. Go in here. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I did that wrong. I apologize. What you need to do, if you ever run into this issue, where you cannot add to your playlist, or if you want to change something from private to public, I don't know why mine was private. I must have pushed a button a long time ago and didn't realize it. But anyway, you want to click on your YouTube icon here, go down to settings, and go down to privacy. And here's the thing that I had a problem with. This was turned on and this was turned on. It was in this position here. And you see here, you've saved changes. Basically, it made everything private. But what you want to do, you want to uncheck this, uncheck that. Okay, let's read this real quick. All right.
Manage what you share on YouTube. Choose who can see your saved playlists and subscriptions. Review YouTube terms of service and Google privacy policy. Playlists and subscriptions. Keep all my saved playlists private. Playlists created by others won't appear on your channel. Playlists created by you have separate, individual privacy settings. Learn more. Keep all my subscriptions private. Your subscriptions won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. Learn more about what could make your subscriptions visible or manage your subscriptions here. Ads on YouTube. You may see ads on YouTube based on general factors like the topic of a video. The ads you see may also depend on your Google Ad settings. To learn more about how ads work for family accounts with kids, visit the Google for Families Help Center.
All right, guys. So basically, if you ever run into an issue where you cannot, every time you upload a video and you try to add it to your playlist, and if it doesn't let you, that's where your problem is. It's right here, because somehow it's made private instead of public. If you're trying to build followers and increase your YouTube channel reach, you don't want to have anything private. Make everything public. I don't know how this thing got clicked somehow. And what else? All you got to do is just click on your icon here, on your YouTube icon, go down to settings, and on the left, come over here to privacy, and then just make sure that these two things are turned off. All right, that's about it. The thing that I was having a problem with is over here. Every time I would add something, every time I would add a video to my YouTube list, I don't know, somehow my liked video list was private. So every time I liked something, it became private and it wouldn't show up on my list. I don't know if I'm explaining this right or wrong, but that's the way I understood it. I just figured it out a couple minutes ago, so I wanted to share that with you. Just in case you're dealing with the same issue. I am going to try to put in a bunch of hashtags and a bunch of, what do you call these down here? I don't use them very often. Bunch of tags also to relate to what I'm doing over here. This way you guys can never run into that issue. It really sucked. I was uploading videos and none of them would actually show up on my list. And every time I would add it to my list, it just wouldn't be there. I hope this video helped. So I think what I'm going to name this is, according to YouTube over here, hide or show likes and saved playlist. And also, I think there was a couple different way to ask that question. So I'm going to try to do long tail and and a short tail, I don't know if that's what they're called, keywords. Basically, I'll make my keywords as best as possible. This way, anybody that's looking for this solution will be able to find it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't like to like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any question regarding this issue, please leave them below, and I'll be more than happy to walk you guys through it. Have a good day, and best of luck.